Brazilian water tank maker unveils new polyethylene PV mounting structures. Brazil-based Fortlev Solar has developed Lastra Solar, a patented polyethylene mounting structure for ground-mounted PV plants. Fortlev Solar's engineering manager, Eduardo Nascimento, claimed that the technology can cut assembly times by 50% compared to metal-only structures. If compared to a metal-only structure, the Lastra Solar can reduce the assembly time by 50%, Nascimento told PV Magazine. For example, the average installation time of a 100 kW array, with 185 modules, is 14 days. With Lastra Solar, this time is reduced to half of the time. The product weighs 15 kilograms, can be equipped with a tilt adjustment system, and is best suited for clear and rugged terrain. The structure's mobility allows for relocating solar panels, offering flexibility in a dynamic business environment. Lastra Solar is constructed entirely from 100% polyethylene, a material used in Fortlev's water tank production. With over 30 years of experience in the market, Fortlev Solar aims to expand the accessibility of solar applications in Brazil. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos.